Well, good morning. Today is Thursday, the 13th of April, and we went to the market this morning, Ubud Market, looking for souvenirs for our family, but it was just like all food, and then had a little change of events. I think we have Bali belly, which is not fun. So basically the water here, our bodies aren't used to it because it has a lot of like bacteria and stuff in it. So when you drink it, it's a combination of like being on your menstrual cycle and then diarrhea together. And so we were literally just shopping in the store, and all of a sudden it's just like bam. It was just like, what in the world? It was terrible. Had to like go to a restaurant, was in the bathroom for forever. It hit me first, and then we were walking back to our room and it hit Olivia. We had to like run back to our room so she could use the bathroom. It was just so much, and hopefully we don't get a second round because that was only like 15 minutes ago. So hopefully it doesn't hit us again, but we're about to go eat our breakfast and then go whitewater rafting and then head to a waterfall and then hit up some stuff later. But here's our beautiful breakfast. Hopefully it'll cleanse our system. Some
I already
fruit.
started, my bad.
It's okay. We're just waiting on our driver so that we can go whitewater rafting, and same outfit again, you know. But yeah, see you then. Okay, just got to whitewater rafting. About to switch to the GoPro so you guys can see everything. On the side, and there's a little shop. How cool. I think but Olivia and I are gonna get out and swim. Do some good swimming. These rocks down here are killer though. Yum. So we just finished whitewater rafting and then we ate some lunch. Yeah. And this was our tour person. It was so much fun. And this is, so what Olivia is doing. How was whitewater rafting, Olivia?
Oh, it was amazing. So fun.
How was it?
It was great.
Yes, it was so much fun. I really wanted to go like down a waterfall, but we'll have to do level 5. We only did level 2, 3? 2/3. So now we're on our way back to our hotel, and then we might go to a waterfall.
Yes, not enough waterfalls today.
Yes, not enough. So we stopped at the markets on our way back to our room and just buying some souvenirs. Got something for my nephew and for my sister. Have mom, dad, and Jordan left.
My little brother and my cousin.
If you want to give you 50,000 for my
Yes, you under magnet adap na na.
Let's see what you're looking at. Cat. Okay, so we finished up at the market and we both finished getting our souvenirs and gifts for everybody back home. I think I did a pretty good job. Olivia did a pretty good job. We survived the chaos of the markets here in Ubud, but they're really nice. You just have to know how to bargain. So now we're about to go catch our ride to the, what is it, Tegenungan?
Yeah.
Tegenungan Waterfall. Yay, we made it to the waterfall with only 20 minutes left to spare though, so we have to go swimming fast. So just look at it. It's amazing. Ah! Yay.
Are you feel sexy?
Ooh.
Yes.
Are you feel sexy? us, then we wouldn't, like, honestly, we wouldn't even be here right now. 2 people died there 2 weeks ago, and nobody told us that. So we thank God that we're here right now, and now we are just about to get something to eat and just relax, because my toe is throbbing, her knee and her ankle and maybe her heel. We're just gonna eat, okay? Sorry.
Oh no, please.
So good. Ended up taking a power nap. It's now 11:31 p.m. and we're going to go to sleep. We're going to take a shower, and then we have to wake up at 6:30.
They said to be here between 6:45 and 7. It's probably a little earlier because I don't know if you noticed, but we're not.
Oh my gosh. We're not packed? Oh gosh. So we have to wake up at like 6. But I'm gonna go to Gili tomorrow. Gili Trawangan. Gili T Islands tomorrow. So we have to catch our fast boat over there.
Staying with Gaspar.
Yeah, Gaspar. But yeah, we will see you tomorrow for more adventures here in Bali. Bintang. Bye, good night.
It's grapefruit.
Yeah.